Hello everyone, welcome to 2 Minutes IELTS Speaking. Today we have an engaging topic to explore. Describe an advertisement that you don't like. This topic has been divided into 4 informative paragraphs. So let's delve into each paragraph to gain deeper understanding. One advertisement that I find highly problematic is a fitness advertisement that perpetuates fat shaming and disrespect towards overweight individuals. The ad begins with an emphasis on physical fitness and health, which are positive aspects to promote. However, as the commercial unfolds, it takes a turn for the worse by portraying being overweight as something pejorative and inferior. This approach not only creates a harmful and discriminatory narrative, but also contributes to the marginalization of fat people. What makes this advertisement particularly concerning is its blatant disrespect for fat individuals by creating a direct comparison between them and fit, well-built individuals. The ad features a competition or challenge where overweight individuals are pitted against their physically fit counterparts. This juxtaposition creates a hierarchy of value and implies that being fat is inherently inferior, which is deeply problematic and perpetuates harmful stereotypes. By using this approach, the advertisement sends a damaging message that promotes body shaming and the stigmatization of fat individuals. It fails to acknowledge the diverse range of body types and size that exist and undermines the importance of body positivity and self-acceptance. This kind of advertisement can have severe psychological consequences, leading to a decrease in self-esteem and development of unhealthy relationship with food and body image. Instead of promoting positive and inclusive approach to fitness and well-being, this advertisement chooses to perpetuate harmful stereotypes and marginalize fat individuals. It's crucial for advertisers to be mindful of the message they convey and to promote body positivity, inclusivity, and respect for all body types. By celebrating diversity and emphasizing the importance of overall health and well-being rather than appearance alone, advertisement can play a role in fostering a more accepting and inclusive society.